Okay, now we back to the business. Okay, so we have our revision over here. Okay, this one express. Okay, given h over 3 minus h minus 5 minus h square over 6h. Okay, expressed as a single fraction, it is simplest form. This is form 1. Okay, this is form 1. So how did we want to do this one? First, you are going to look what, class? You look at our denominator, because this one is the operation here is minus, tolak kan? So if a fraction, so you must same first for our denominator here. Okay, for times or divide, we are not going to make our denominator here the same. Okay, so how did I want to make it the same here? This one times with 2h, because 3 times 2 is 6 only. So if we are going to make it also got h there, so it's going to be times with 2h. So up here also going to be the same, okay, times 2h. So the questions over here, you are going to have 2h square, because h times h is h square, okay? Okay, then we are going to have over here negative 5. Negative, you are going to get positive h square. Okay, careful over 6h. Okay, then what can minus with 5, you are going to get negative 5. Minus with negative h, you are going to get positive 10. Okay, now which one is the same here? This one we can solve. 2 plus with nothing there. Means that? Yes, you are going to have over here 3h square minus 5 over 6h. That's going to be your answer. Macam tu je. Okay. Yes. Kenapa kan sudah darabkan? Yang 3 tu pun dah darabkan. Kenapa tak ada dekat situ, kenapa ada 6 tu? Because we make it same. If you do like this, 2h square over 6h minus with 5 minus h square over 6h. Baru letak dua-dua. But because we want to combine, because now our denominator bawah dia kan dah sama. Yes, fraction. Macam awak buat fraction, 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. 2 over 3 susah sangat 2 over 4, sorry. So means what? Kalau yang ni, this one times 2 kan? So this one times 2, so sama kan? You akan 1 times 2, 2 plus 2 over 4, isn't it? So you are going to get 4 over 4, 1. Kan? Sama kan bawah tu. Remember back. Okay, can I proceed to the next one? Okay, if you look at the questions here first, number 2. Okay, the diagram shows the length and width. Which will be converted to a vegetable farm. Okay, the land will be equally divided into 3 sections to plant aubergines. Ada orang tanya aubergines tu apa ni? Atas ni ada terung. Aubergines. Okay, thank you. And then tomato lah. And ladyfinger is our bendy there. Okay. It is given that the area of the plot to plant aubergines is 200 meters square. Calculate the value of x. Anyone? Okay, I help you here. What did we have here? The land will be equally divided into 3 sections. Equally divided. What does it mean by equal? Did we know our land area? How to get area, class? Length times width, isn't it? If I want to write down here, if I want to find my area, you are going to have 6x as your length, 6x minus 50 there, times with x. Am I right? That's going to be your area. And what area did we have here? Only, isn't it? And we know that our aubergines over here, this one, 200 is this one. Yes, every of our area here must be the same. So this one also 200. Equally divided. So can I know the sum of our area there? 6x. Yes, 600 meters square. And then I'm going to make it same with, this one I can use what? Expand. So 6x times x. 6x square minus 50x. After that? Okay, now I want to make as in my equation over here. 6x squared minus 50x. I'm going to put 600 over here to the right. So I'm going to get negative, isn't it? Equals to 0. What did we have over here? What did we have over here, class? Did you remember? Okay, so wait. Okay, so I'm going to find my x, isn't it? This one we have square, isn't it? What should I do? I'm going to use my calculator. Supposedly you have to do factorization, am I right? Factorization, if you do not know how to do, you can use your calculator. Not shift, mode. Mode 3 times. And then press 1 for your equation there. And then go to the right. You have degree, isn't it? Press 2. I think I already told you about this one. No? God. Okay, where is our A? 6. Put 6 equal. Where is our B? 50 or negative? Equal. C? Negative 600. Not 600, negative. And then when you press equal over here, right? Why didn't got the answer here? Baru nak show off dengan calculator baru. I need to do using my other calculator. Okay, no problem. I got 2. I got 2. Okay, mod EQ and press to the right, press 2. A is 6, B is negative 50, C here is negative 600. So I'm going to have, this one got. X1 is 15, X2 is how to get the X2? You press equal. going to get the in a fraction. Yes, negative 6, 2 over 3. But, please, you are not going to state in our equation over here, not in decimal, not in mixed number. So I have to change it into improper fraction. So negative 6, 2 over 3, I will get what? Negative? Yes, thank you. So I'm going to get over here, x is equal to negative 20 over 3. And the other one just now, I get what? X1 over just now, 15. So this one all, okay. So I want you to know how did I want to make from our answer to go to the calculation. Supposedly I got the fraction, the factorization. 15 to the left, so I'm going to get this one is x minus 15 equals to 0, isn't it? Okay, and then for this one, I'm going to bring 3 to the left. I'm going to get what? Divide, bring to the left, times. So 3 times x, 3x, and then I'm going to bring negative 20 to the left is, yes, plus 20, and this one also equals to 0. Okay, after that, I'm going to have this one as in bracket so that we are going to get our factorization. So you are going to write down back this one as x minus 15 and also 3x plus 20 equals to 0. But if you look over there, oh, sorry, supposedly this one I need to copy. Okay, if I expand back this one, if I expand, what did I get? X times with 3x. Why did I cannot? This one, if I expand, x times 3x, 3x square, x times with 20, 20x. And then 15 times 3, negative 45x, negative 15 and 20, you are going to get what? 15 times 20. You are going, macam mana nak keluar balik daripada tu? Diorang tanya cikgu. Kami tak boleh nak tekan lah, tak boleh. This one, you just press shift and mod over here, clear everything, reset everything there. Finish. Shift, mod, clear. Clear. Number 3 kan? So, negative 15 times with 20. You are going to get negative 300. Am I right? Yes, negative 300, this one. So if you look over here, you are going to, wait, this one we are going to rewrite back. We are going to look back. Is it, we got the answer is correct or not? Okay, so over here, if I got this one, negative 3x square, sorry, 20 and negative, this one I'm going to get 15x, isn't it? 25, sorry. This one 3x square minus 25x minus with 300 equals to 0. Am I right? Yes. But if you look there, supposedly you get over there is 6x square, isn't it? Yes. Oh, means what? No, this one everything. Supposedly you are going to have over here 6 divided by 2, 3x squared. 50 divided by 2, negative 25x. 600 divided by 2, 300 equal to 0. Now you get the same, right? Why I need to divide? Because I want to make a factorization. Supposedly this one, you are not allowed straight away find the answer. I teach you how to get the answer first. From the answer, you are going to get the calculation. If I just leave you, class, 6x squared minus 50x minus 600, try to factorize. Can you do? So I teach you how to get the answer first. From below, from the answer, you get back to the calculation. Okay, and make sure the 6x squared is going to be the same with 3x squared lah. So you have to divide. We are going to find what? Okay, if you look over here, x is what? X is in positive value. Why? Because this is length and width, isn't it? Cannot have negative. Length, width, time, isn't it? Height or your mass cannot have negative value, isn't it? So if you look over here, you have negative value there. So this one you can write as ignore. You just ignore the answer here. So the answer is going to be 15. Ignore. Okay, now, if I replace, I substitute here. Just now, we have our x is what? 6 times with 15 minus 50. What you get? 6 times 15 minus 50. I substitute. Now this one, just now x is 15, isn't it? So 40 times with 15. What you get? 600. Did we got 600 is this one? Can you understand now? Which part? Okay, I repeat again. Uncomplicated? No, this is how you are going to understand what question tell you and how you are going to solve it. Too much calculation? Are you sure? If this came out? Why again is equals to 600? Because we have to find the land, total of our land area is didn't give in our question there. But it stated that the land will be one area given there is for our aubergines, isn't it? Only 200. So you have how many land? They are divided into 3, right? So if you want to find the total area of the land, so you are going to times by 3. That's why 200 times by 3, you get 600. Now can you understand? Tak faham lagi? The total land is 600. Divided by 3, are you get 200? Yes. 600 divided by 3, yes, 200. That's what the question didn't give to us. You must find the total area. The question only, dia bagi tahu apa? Ni, 200 je. It's not the total area. It's only for this one, isn't it? Aubergines only. But what we have over here, that the land will be equally. So I have to times by 3. So that's why 200 times by 3, you get 600. Can? And what did the question give to us is the length and the width. So we know that the relationship between our area and also length and width is length times width going to be equal to area, isn't it? Yes. That's why you substitute this one. 6x minus 50 times with x, you are going to get 600. If you didn't get this one, you are not going to get anything. You have to get that relationship first. Area equals to length times width. Can? And then you are going to solve it. This is PT3 question. And don't surprise if SPM. Yes. SPM from 5. You. If came out in SPM, you have to. Because remember that your SPM will consist from Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 4, Form 5. Of course lah. If no calculator, like you go to war without any weapon. Any questions? Okay. Yes, this one is section C. You have to show the calculation. Did you ever heard about practice make perfect? Tolong ke tepi, sir, tolong ke tepi. Siapa je? Did you understand, girls at online? Rashmita, Ria, Rasvina? Can I have feedback? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay. One question, 22 minutes. Yes, sir. Not one question, 2 questions. Just now, 1 question. Can? We move to the next question? Yeah. Okay.
So wait for a minute.
Yes?
Wait, sir, copying.
Copying. I think you at home easy. You just what? Screenshot.
No, sir, I'm studying, sir.
You copy. Okay lah, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Done. Okay. Class done. Done. Okay. We go to the next question. Okay. Questions number 3. The price of a plain bagel ni apa ni? Bagel, you know bagel? Oh, black donut. Okay. Okay, the price of plain bagel is 4 ringgit and 30 cents. Apa? Korean ke ni? 4.30, special 7 ringgit. Okay. Faizal again. Okay. Faizal had ordered 5 plain bagels. So you have to understand this one. Plain bagel 4.30. So Faizal got 5 plain bagels already, isn't it? And then got his friend Reza now. Reza, who had Faizal pick up his order, decided to treat Faizal X special bagel. Did we know how many of bagel? But we know the price for special bagel is 7 ringgit. But we don't know the quantity did the Reza bought, isn't it? Okay. If Reza paid the baker 50 ringgit, calculate the maximum number of special bagel that he bought. This one. Problem solving. Every chapter got problem solving, I think. What is this? Minus and times and division and then multiplication. Okay. This is going to be inequality. Inequality? Did you ever heard about inequality? Form 1. Form 1. Form 1 way. Okay. Now, I'm going to write back. Okay. We know that the plain bagel is 4 ringgit and 30 cents. He ordered 5 plain bagels. Okay. So what I have over here, 5 times with 4 ringgit and 30 cents. Am I right? No. I'm going to write it first. Formula. Okay. So he bought. Did we know how much of bagel for special? No. Means that we are going to have plus with our x times 7. You are going to put over here 7x straight away. Can you understand? Cannot be equal. Is going to be not more or equal to 50 ringgit lah. Cannot be more. That's why I say it is inequality. Did you ever heard? Practice make perfect. Okay, now. Isn't it? Isn't it? You have to, if you relate back, okay, over here, he bought 5 plain bagels, 4 ringgit and 30 cents each. And then X special bagel over here. 1 special bagel is 7 ringgit, so you have 7X there. And the total of he paid to the baker is 50 ringgit. Can it be more? No. Cannot be more. Means that's why we use over here. The inequality we are going to use is less than and equals to 50. If you look over here, you can say, oh, he bought 5 bagels with price of 4 ringgit and 30 cents plus with 7 special bagels, but we don't know how many of bagel that he bought. The price is going to be less than or equals to 50 ringgit. If I put that. Okay. So I'm going to find this one. 5 times 4 ringgit and 30 cents. 21.5. Plus with 7x less than and equals to 50. So this one I'm going to bring. Ah, 28 ringgit 0.5. Okay, 28.5. Okay. So if I want to find 1x, what happened to our? Yes, you are going to divide. So you are going to get 28.5 divided by 7. 4.07. Okay, now can I have? If you go to the counter, can I have 4.07 bagel? It cannot be more than 4.07. Means that it's going to be 4 bagel. So means that our X here is 4 bagel. 4 special bagel, sorry. Huh? Macam mana tu? Oh, awak kira. Siap-siap dah. Lepas tu awak ambil 7x sama dengan 50. Lepas tu awak tak buat inequality. Okay lah. Boleh lah. Siapa buat soalan? Yelah, siapa dah cakap. Soalan ni pun saya buat, soalan exam pun saya buat. Puas hati. Satu tambah satu. Senang je. Dah tingkatan 3. Nak soalan senang je. Tak ada tempat apa nak tulis? This one, if I give this one 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Still 4. If you get the answer here is 4 special variables, 4. Still. Sampai hati je. Okey. Belum lagi. If you said equals because he pay 50 ringgit, can lah. Same. Because the what we call the question stated that it pay 50 ringgit, so we just put equals can also lah. Because this one less than and equal. Done? How about at home? Can? Done? No, our student, online student. Later you are going to do what? Online. Girls? Online. Can I have
Done,
feedback?
sir.
Have here Rashmita, Ria, and Rasmina also. Okay, no problem. Come again? Yeah, I know. 3 period. Until 1 o'clock. I know. Okay, can we go to the next question? Oops. What happened? Okay. We go for the questions number 4. Okay, the diagram shows a regular hexagon. Why did I pronounce regular hexagon? What does it mean by regular hexagon? Biasa, regular biasa. Sekata, there. In Malay, sekata means that every side is going to be the same length. And a regular pentagon. Find the value of x minus y over 2. Susah. A hexagon, how? N minus 2 times 180 divided by n. So we are going to find for hexagon first. So how many sides we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 minus 2 times 180 divided by 6. What do you get? 120 degree. Means that over here is 120 degree. Can? Every angle there. Interior angle. Then we are going to find for our penta. Here we have how many sides? 5 sides. So you are going to write down 5 minus 2 times 180 divided by 5. Here is 108 degree. Can I find my x? Yes. Tengok dia pandai. 360. Minus 120 minus 108. What do you get for x? 132 degree. Now, we know that our angle here also 108, isn't it? Because it is a regular pentagon. So can I find my y over here? Is going to be 360 minus 108. What do you get? 252. 252 degree. Is it? We answer our question already? Not yet. We are going to substitute into our X 132 minus so what do you get? 132 minus 126 6 degree. That's gonna be your answer. Answer with okay. Done? Wait. How about at home? Online student can? Online student. Done. Boy. Kenapa? Kenapa? Oh, okay, thank you. We have 4 online students here. Ria, Razvina, Rashmita, and Pavitra. Congratulations. Okay, so can we move to the next question? Can. Okay, we move to the next question. Okay, for our questions number 5 here. Okay, diagram shows a composite solid made up of a cube. PQRSTUVW. Okay, we have a cube there. The big one on the left side. And a cuboid. A, B, C, D, E, F. It is given that A and B are the midpoints of QV, okay, and RW. So we have our A and B there is our midpoint. Means that this one is going to be the same. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. And the ratio in length of VE to UV. Okay. VE. Where is our VE over here? This one. VE to UV here. Is going to be VE is 3 and UV is 2. When you read, you must know where is our question talk about. Where is it? Okay, VE is 3 to 2. Is it? Okay. Now, if the total surface area of the cube, total surface area, what does it mean by total surface area? Area. Okay. How many surface area that the cube have? 7. 2, 4, 6. Isn't it? 2, 4, 6. If not, you can imagine a box, isn't it? Okay. So we have 6. Means that can I have one area? The T6 is going to be one area. Can you say what I need you to relate here? Can you understand? Apa? Okay, let me take this one. Macam-macam lah awak ni. Okay. Okay, I take this one. Wait, yeah. Okay, the question tell us that this one besarnya. Ya. Sebab tak ada space. Saya nak conteng ni. Okay. Okay, girls. If you look over here, we know this is going to be our cube, isn't it? This one, the yellow one, this one. Everything here is going to be our cube. So the volume for our, the volume pula. Dia kata apa tadi? The total surface area, isn't it? Total surface area is 216. Did one cube have? We have this one for 6 for our surface area lah. 6 times surface area. Yes, if I want to find one surface area, so 216 divided by 6, I got over here is 36 centimeters square. That one for one surface area. So you know that for cube, we must have the same length. If I say this one x, isn't it? So x times x is going to be 36. So if I want to find, yes? Okay, how to get area? Yes, x times x, isn't it? Equals to 36. So x times x, isn't it 2x or x squared? Equal to 36. Did I need to divide? So you have 6 for the length of our cube there. The width and the length is going to be the same. Can you understand? Okay, if you look over here, just now we have two information given over here. First, ratio. Second, we have A there is going to be the midpoint. So we know the total over here, everything here is 6. So means that this one is 3 and 3. Isn't it? Okay. And semangat. Okay. So just now, you know that the ratio over here, 2 parts is going to be 6 centimeter, isn't it? So if I want to find one part, one part over here is 3. Can I know 3 parts here? How do I know? 9 cm. Kan yang tu ratio. 2 to 3, that one is ratio. Which one? The parts. That one is ratio. We have, if you read back, it stated that UV to VE is 2 to 3. Means that it's going to be 2 parts and 3 parts. We have find that for our cube, the length and the width is going to be 6 centimeter. So the relation between 2 parts there for our ratio is going to be equals to 6 centimeter. 1 part is 6 divided by 2, you are going to get 3 centimeter. Everything here is if 2 parts equal to 6 centimeter, 1 part, because I want to find the 3 parts there for our cuboid, for our VE there. Can? Faham? Can. Okay, now we go. Dah habis. Apa dah habis? Show it again. Okay. This one. But this one not answer the question yet now. Not answer the question yet. This one we just find out about the length of UV, the length for VE. Can you understand? Yes. We also know the length of AV and AQ there because A is the midpoint, means that we have 6 divided by 2. We're not finished yet. If you look at the questions here, I only until here. We only solve until here. This one, midpoint's done. The ratio also done. The total surface area also done. We have the relationship, everything there. Now we go to the question. Calculate the volume of the composite solid. Means what? You are going to find everything for cuboid and also for cube. Okay, now. Just now, okay, I use this one. I use this one. Okay. Now, we know this one is not 2 centimeter. 6. Yeah. This one 6, this one 9, this one 3, this one 3. Can you understand how did we get just now, right? Okay. So, if the question here of the composite solid means that everything there means it's going to be the volume for cube plus with the volume for cuboid. Yes, good. How to get the volume of cube? Yes, length times width times height. So if you look over there, our cube is going to be the same, isn't it? So it's going to be 6 cube. That's why it's called cube. You can also you can put 6 times 6 times 6, so the same, isn't it? Okay, plus the volume for cuboid. Okay, the length we have what? 9. Okay, this one I need to do bracket over here. 9 times. Okay, this one. Yes, it's going to be the same with VW. So if this one is 6, this one also must be the same. 6 also, am I right? Yeah. So this over here is going to be the same with our AV here, right? Yeah. So it's going to be times 3. Can you understand? Yeah. So please find for me. 6 cubed is going to be 216 plus 162. So 216 plus 162, you are going to get 378 centimeter cube for our volume of the cuboid and also cube. Can? Easy, right? That easy. Yes. Oh, pergi sana. Pergi sana saya sekejap. Saya ambil yang ini, saya bawa pergi sana. So semua orang boleh salin. Sini saya paste kat sini. Hei, apa dia? Gaduh-gaduh. You see? Can? Can, right? Okay. Online student can? Online student can understand? Online student?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. Hey. Awak cakap-cakap ni tengah record ni.
Jadi sekolah lain tu. Saya tidak.
So if you look over here, class, if you look over here, the question here is going to be consist of what chapter? A ratio? Circle mana ada? Yes, cube and also square root there. Got? Yes, area and volume. Yes, 5 chapter in 1 question. So you have to read it. Not if we have 1 question, 1 chapter only. No. Awak sarcasm. Sarcastic. Okay, can we? Aircon. Okay, done? Done? Okay, we go for the last question. Number 6, because now it's 12:52 already. We have another 8 more minutes. Okay. No, because after this I got another class, SPM class. Oh, yeah. Okay. The diagram shows a speed time graph of Faizal again. Faizal journey from town A to town B. Find the distance in meter traveled by Faizal. How did we want to relate this one? This one totally for our chapter 9. No, the question we are going to answer for him because help him to find the distance over here. Oh boy. So remember what? Remember what? Wait, yeah. Hello. Salam. Dia bercakap. Oh, kejap lagi boleh telefon tak? Sebab saya ada kelas lah. Sekejap. Okay, sorry Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, so if you look over here, we are going to find the distance. Okay, so remember back our formula. Don't shoot. Yes. Don't. Time. So means over here, if we are going to find distance, so we are going to take speed over here, time with time over here. But with but but what? What's that? The time is in minute. For our speed in hour. Cannot lah. So means everything here we need to divide by 60. Okay. So this one 60, this one 60, this one 60, this one 60, this one also 60. Why 60? If you look there, our speed, the time the time in our graph there is in minute. So cannot. You have to change first. That's why I said divided everything with 60. Can class? Okay, now. What is the relationship we have with our speed time over there is here. Is what? To find the distance, actually, you are going to find area under the graph. Huh. This one. How do you get? To find the area. So, for the first one over here, you are going to get, alamak, tak cukup tempat lah, kejap eh. Ambil. Alamak, sekejap. Kojap. Okay. Sekejap ya. Okay. Okay, if you look over here, girls, this one for the first area over here, how did I find? It's going to be 20 times with 20 over 60. Am I right? Yes. That's the first one. Plus this one. What shape is this we have? No. Pyramid. No. This one also another trapezium. Look at your picture there. There are two trapezium, isn't it? So the first trapezium, I'm going to. Did you remember the area of trapezium? Okay. Okay, this one. This is for our trapezium. If I have A, B, C. So it's going to be 1 over 2 times with sum of our parallel line times with our C. So if that one, if for the green one, 1 over 2 times with, I'm going to get over there is 80, isn't it? 80 plus with 20, am I right? 80. The parallel there? And are you sure 30? Are you sure 20? 10. Because you are going to find from 30 to 20 only, not until 0. So 30 minus with 20, you are going to get what? 10 over 60. That's for the... Sama lah. 1 over 2 times. This one is going to be 80 and 20 also, right? 80 plus 20. And then times with this one, 45 minus 30, 15 over 60. And then we are going to have another one, this one. Oh, sorry. I still using the same color. I want red. This one. Finish. How to get this one? Eh? 60 minus 45. 15. 15 over 60, isn't it? Yes. And then last one. This one is triangle. How to get triangle? 1 over 2 times 20 times with 15 over 60. Isn't it? So you have to plus all together and you are going to get the answer for your distance. Wow, bagusnya. Okay. Okay, I give you this one in our group lah, because we finish our time already. So, okay. Okay, so that's it for today. 1 o'clock already. I'm going to. Okay, thank you very much. Student, thank you.